Okay, so we've filled the system. As you can see, the vent is now overflowing. That means that we have the fluid filled the level that we want. We will go ahead and install the vent screw. This will help us as we remove the filler plug or filler pump. It will help us retain fluid at that point by creating a negative pressure or vacuum. So we've replaced our washer. We've got that torqued down. We'll clean this up, make sure that we won't spill anything unnecessary, and of course degrease with water soluble, environmentally friendly material. Once we're finished, for now that's in place, and we can begin to remove our base plug. Again, perfect ground protection, some tar paper. We'll remove the filler. Our plug screw is close proximity. Once we get this removed, we'll quickly place the screw in as so to not lose fluid, and we will begin to torque that down. Once we have this torqued down, our lower unit shafts and bearings now have fresh fluid. Everything is back together, and that concludes changing the fluid in an Alpha 1 Gen 1 stern drive unit.